Hello, it's Adrian Crawford, Williams Crawford Passion for Porsche, and on this Walkabout Wednesday I thought it's time, with our new premises looking great, to give you a review of the services that we offer. We get a lot of people that say that they know us well for classic Porsche, but we do at least 50% of our business is with modern as well, even new. I mean, people are coming to us for new Porsche just because they want to keep the relationship, and we keep the supplying of them nice and simple. And the thing that I wanted to point out is that if you don't see the car that you'd like here, but you'd like to deal with us, that you trust us, then just tell, because we source Porsche for clients all the time. Modern, classic, new, used, whatever. Just phone up and have a chat. Now, the second big part of what we do here is the maintenance. And it's any Porsche, any age, any model, and with any issue whatsoever. We look after them all here. It includes normal maintenance. It includes wheel alignments, key recoding. It's accident repairs. We look after Cayennes, Macans, Panameras, all your 911s and Boxsters and Cayennes and your transaxle cars, all the way back. The big benefit is our philosophy, and I suppose that's born out of our background with the older cars. On the older cars, it's absolutely essential to look beyond the regular maintenance schedule, and we apply that to all Porsche that come into the shop. And it's a way that every week we are looking beyond that maintenance schedule and finding items, brake pipes, bearings, bushes, pipes, all sorts of things, and we're preventing failures. Then we're likely to be able to save you a bit of grief, time, money, and we'd love to see you. We'd love to show you around our facility, and we'd welcome you for a cup of coffee and a chat. So that's me, it's Adrian Crawford, Williams Crawford Passion for Porsche. Thank you for watching, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.